name is John Lee, and this is my bike check. So for bars, I got Muni Glam V2 with Colt Faith grips, gum color. And for a stem, I got a Muni lifted. And down here, I got Primo Strands V2s with a, and for my front wheel, I got a Shapto Raptor hub linked out to a flywheel with a GLH tires. And for my frame, I got a Sunday Funday, a Federal Fatty, as you can see, some pivotal seat post stuff with a Madeira sprocket, spline drive with a profile cranks and Odyssey plastic twisted pedals. And for my back wheel, it's a Colony clone hub linked out to a fly. And yep, this is my bike check.